is chlorine really the best option for my pool? Like, come on, swimming pool Steve, what's the deal here? And the very, very short answer is yes. So just cut, wrap. That's it. That's the whole video. Like and subscribe. Oh, you want reasons? Okay. There are reasons that we use chlorine, and I'm going to just summarize them by saying there's four primary things that chlorine is doing for you in your pool that if you want to use something else other than chlorine, you got to kind of account for these four things. Oh, you want to know the four things too? Okay, well, that makes a lot of sense. Well, you need a sanitizer in the water, and you need an oxidizer in the water. You need an algicide, and you need all of that stuff to maintain a residual value. So, and what I mean by that is, so everything I just said, we could in theory accomplish with some sort of mechanical device. You bolt it to the wall and you shine UV light or inject ozone or generate hydroxyl radicals or some other method, and you could do those things. So what's the problem then? Well, the problem is that it's only happening here at the wall at the moment it's passing through that thing we're talking about. And once it goes back to the pool, well, now there's no level of protection. There's no residual value in the pool with which to provide protection from me to you swimming next to each other. And so that's the nature of chlorine, is it's doing all of those four things. And we have other chemical things that can kind of do some of the sanitizing, oxidizing, algicides. You've heard of that. Yeah, no, we have the individual things, but do you have one thing that does all four of those things that I described? And the answer is no. That's why chlorine, in the longer answer, is just the lesser of two evils, or just the better option, or just, yeah, you need it. Just use it because it's keeping your water safe. It's your primary level of protection, keeping your water safe. You want that. That's very important to you. And it's a complicated process with which to replace it with other things like mechanical items you bolt to the wall, or different chemicals and oxidizers, sanitizers, and algicides that you add, use, monitor in the water. And so ultimately, chlorine's where it's at. It's the easiest, it's the safest, it's the most widely used thing in swimming pools, and I do recommend you use it. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.